guys, so this is the Onitsuka tigers that Uma Thurman kind of wore in the movie Kill Bill. So right here are the kicks, right there, nice. And I'm not gonna lie, I did wear them a couple of times before filming this video, and they are really cute. I love it. And you know, we got the trademark Onitsuka tigers right by the tongues of the shoes, and on the back we got the flaps that says tiger, and these are the yellow and black ones. So Asics, thank you for putting this in stock again. Hell yeah. Sword that Uma Thurman uses in the movie Kill Bill. So this is a plastic replica, of course, so you know, you can see that it's clearly wobbly. So I mean, it's just plastic, but it's a cool replica. It even has all of these markings over here, which is cool. Basically a Halloween costume idea, and of course you have this Hattori Hanzo sword, and you just wield it, and it's right here. But of course it's fake and wobbly, and two-piece yellow and black stripe, similar to how it was in the movie, but it's a two-stripe thing instead of just a single stripe that goes all straight down. And it's a nice crop top too, so it's more modern and like more contemporary. And it has a hoodie, which is nice, so that's cool. So I guess that's it. Thank you for watching. This was such a weird video for me to film, but I had fun, so peace out. That's it.
Yo, we chilling.
Why are we such crackheads?